Good morning. Quick intro. Before the neighbor starts blowing leaves again, he's been blowing the whole morning and he's not going to have a break. There he goes. So he's been busy for the past 2 hours and looking at the amount of leaves that he has to blow. He's going to be busy for another 2 hours. I can't wait anymore.
There's a lot.
So this tree needs to go. It's a wild olive. It's in the middle of my my lawn. There we go. Middle of my lawn. Now, if this is the first time you see the front yard being cleared out, click here, episode 6. You need to start there. That's when we started actually making this nice. It's going to be like a golf course. I've said it before, keep on saying it. Watch this space. Let's do this. Okay, so that went a lot faster than what we expected. In fact, there wasn't much roots underneath.
It's only because his wife's actually helping.
Yeah, whatever.
He needed my muscles.
Okay, so it didn't even take, I think, what, half an hour, 45?
Yeah, but half an hour.
Half an hour, okay. Which is the problem, I've got a whole day left, I need to do something. So, I'm going to go to the next thing. Oh, okay, so you see the little lady that side, which by the way, you look like too small. I can't get the fingers in, like, there. Anyways, so the tree she stands again is on a fence. It makes it easy for people to climb over and come rob us, which has happened a couple of times this year already. You can't burn the wood, you can't do anything with the wood. It's pretty much cut off and throw away. It stinks bad. So it drops a lot of thorns. The kids can't walk there without shoes. We're going to bring it down so that kids can actually walk around bare feet. That would be nice as well. So for every tree we cut off, we're going to plant 2 trees. That's something that we just believe in. It's as simple as that. And that's for future episodes. If you see it, subscribe, give the thumbs up. Let's get this thing going and then we'll go from there. But for now, let's empty out that thing and then get our asses back so we can start working. Enough playing.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the sea. let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
Yesterday we removed the wild olive. It took about 45 minutes and everything was gone. Had way too much time left of the day, didn't want to waste it. Started this fawn tree nonsense thing, bringing it down. Kind of backfired, took a lot longer than we thought it was going to be. The power cord wire thing was, well, we were being too cautious.
Yeah, but we do want to lose power.
Yes, power is good. Anyway, so now we day number 2. We need to clear out whatever's on the floor and take it away. So I don't think we're gonna get to the other branches like I wanted today, the other section. We'll leave that for next week.
Yes.
So if you want to see what we're talking about, subscribe, like, so it'll pop up. That's what we need to do. Alright, but for today, let's clean up here. Let's finish our mess we started yesterday.
Yeah.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to let it to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again, and as I fall I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, I'm feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below.
Okay, so we've cleaned up most of the area now. Ta-da! Doesn't look amazing. Do you need help, husband? Yeah, we did quite a few squats today. Yeah.
I think next week we'll do what we actually wanted to do today,
Yeah.
but
This took a little bit longer.
and then
So with that section to do there.
yeah, and we need to chop the big stump up.
Yeah.
I will do that during the week. So next week we're not messing around with this nonsense.
Yes.
Next weekend, that side, that's going to be a mess because we have a lot of bougainvilleas. And why do we like bougainvilleas so much?
They got thorns. Like big ass thorns.
We'll put some, we'll show
Yeah.
you guys. So
Those
remember,
things are nasty. You think this looks bad? Wait.
okay, so remember, subscribe, you can check it out.
Give it a thumbs up.